Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the Goddesses of the World oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Tanit, renowned as the Carthaginian Goddess of fertility, motherhood, and the divine feminine. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Tanit. What does Tanit represent in mythology? The Carthaginian goddess Tanit holds great significance as a powerful and multifaceted deity in ancient Phoenician and Punic cultures. She represents fertility, motherhood, and the divine feminine. Tanit was revered as the protector of Carthage, overseeing matters of love, sexuality, and the cycles of life. Her symbols include the crescent moon, the sun disk, and the palm tree, all of which embody her association with nature, fertility, and abundance. Tanit's presence in Carthaginian society was paramount, as she was not only worshipped in religious ceremonies, but also invoked for guidance and protection in everyday life. Her influence reflects the profound veneration of the feminine divine, offering a reminder of the interconnectedness between humanity, nature, and the spiritual realm. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Tanit. The embodiment of fertility. Exploring the archetypal traits of Goddess Tanit. Goddess Tanit, the embodiment of fertility, possesses a captivating array of archetypal traits that resonate deeply with the human psyche. As the archetype of the nurturer and the mother, Tanit symbolizes the primal power of creation, abundance, and the cycles of life. Her essence embodies qualities such as nurturing love, fertility, and the transformative energy of birth and rebirth. Tanit's archetypal presence encompasses traits such as compassion, empathy, and the ability to create and sustain life. She inspires a deep connection with nature and the profound understanding of the interconnectedness between all living beings. The archetypal embodiment of Goddess Tanit reminds us of the eternal dance of creation and the nurturing potential that resides within us, igniting the spark of life, growth, and transformation. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Tanit. The crescent moon and sun disk, decoding Tanit's symbols of divinity. The crescent moon is a prominent symbol of Tanit, representing her connection to the cycles of nature, fertility, and the divine feminine. The sun disk symbolizes her association with light, vitality, and life-giving energy. Palm trees, with their strong and resilient nature, symbolize growth, abundance, and the nurturing qualities of Tanit. Animals such as doves, serpents, and lions are also linked to her, symbolizing peace, wisdom, and strength. In terms of colors, Tanit is often associated with blue and gold, representing the vastness of the sky and the radiant power of the sun. Together, these symbols, plants, animals, and colors embody the essence of Goddess Tanit, highlighting her connection to fertility, motherhood, abundance, and the divine feminine. Part 4. The story of Goddess Tanit. Goddess Tanit's chosen disciple. Laya's path to enlightenment and transformation. In the ancient land of Carthage, a thriving civilization flourished under the watchful eyes of the divine goddess Tanit. She embodied the essence of fertility, abundance, and the sacred feminine. The people of Carthage held deep reverence for Tanit, recognizing her as their guardian and nurturer. Her presence permeated every corner of the bustling city, infusing it with a sense of divine energy and grace. The worship of Tanit connected the people to the cycles of life, inspiring them to embrace abundance, celebrate fertility, and honor the sacredness within themselves and the world around them. In a small village nestled by the sea, there lived a young woman named Laya. Laya possessed a deep connection with the natural world and a yearning for spiritual enlightenment. She was drawn to the sacred rituals and practices dedicated to Goddess Tanit. One day, as Laya wandered along the shore, she discovered a mystical shell shimmering in the sunlight. Curiosity sparked within her, and she picked it up, feeling an energy surge through her fingertips. In that moment, she heard a soft whisper in her heart, guiding her towards an ancient temple dedicated to Tanit. Eager to uncover the secrets that awaited her, Lila followed the gentle guidance, making her way to the temple. As she stepped inside, a sense of tranquility enveloped her. The air was filled with the fragrance of incense, and the soft glow of candlelight danced upon the walls. In the center of the temple stood a magnificent statue of goddess Tanit. Her eyes sparkled with wisdom, and her arms reached out as if embracing all who approached. Lila felt a deep sense of peace and belonging in Tanit's presence. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months as Lila dedicated herself to the study of Tanit's teachings. She learned about the cycles of nature, the importance of nurturing relationships, and the power of abundance within and around her. She embraced rituals of gratitude and reverence, immersing herself in the sacredness of life. As time passed, Lila's connection with goddess Tanit grew stronger. She felt the presence of the divine guiding her every step. Inspired by Tanit's embodiment of fertility, Lila nurtured the seeds of her dreams and watched them flourish. She shared her wisdom with others, encouraging them to embrace their own inner abundance and cultivate a deep connection with the natural world. Word of Lila's transformation and her connection to goddess Tanit spread throughout the land. People from far and wide sought her counsel and guidance, eager to tap into the profound wisdom and transformative energy she carried. Lila became a beacon of light, embodying the essence of Tanit's nurturing spirit. Through her teachings and example, she helped others awaken their own inner power, guiding them towards personal growth and the realization of their true potential. As the years passed, Lila's legacy continued to flourish. The village transformed into a vibrant community, honoring goddess Tanit in their daily lives. Lila's teachings inspired generations to come, reminding them of the boundless possibilities that lay within their souls. And so, the story of Lila, the devoted disciple of goddess Tanit, stands as a testament to the power of connection, transformation, and embracing the nurturing energies within and around us. Through the guidance of Tanit, Lila discovered her true purpose and shared her gifts with the world, leaving a lasting legacy of love, abundance, and personal transformation. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Tanit archetype. Strategy 1. Seeking nature's healing power. Goddess Tanit's connection to nature encourages us to seek its healing power. Neuroscience studies highlight the beneficial effects of spending time in nature on overall well-being and brain health. Regularly immerse yourself in natural environments, whether it's taking a walk in the park, hiking in the mountains, or simply sitting by a body of water. Allow nature's beauty and tranquility to rejuvenate your mind, reduce stress, and foster personal transformation. Strategy 2. Cultivating emotional liberation. Goddess Tanit's nurturing and compassionate nature reminds us of the importance of emotional liberation, which goes beyond emotional intelligence. You can feel more empowered if you learn how to free yourself from heavy emotions such as shame and guilt. By practicing emotional liberation, we create space for healing, personal growth, and authentic self-expression. Recognize and acknowledge the emotions of shame and guilt without judgment, and actively work towards releasing their grip on our psyche. Strategy 3. Harnessing the power of intuition. Goddess Tanit's connection to intuition invites us to tap into this powerful inner guidance system. Cultivate a regular practice of quiet reflection, meditation, or mindfulness to access and trust your intuition. Pay attention to the subtle signals, gut feelings, and inner knowing that guide you towards decisions aligned with your authentic self. By harnessing the power of intuition, you tap into a wellspring of wisdom, enhancing personal transformation and decision-making. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence. enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Gather items that symbolize fertility and abundance, such as flowers, a bowl of water, a candle, or incense. Additionally, have a piece of paper and a pen or marker on hand. 2. Find a quiet and undisturbed space where you can perform the ritual. Begin by cleansing the space with incense or sage, purifying the energy, and creating a sacred atmosphere. Light the candle, symbolizing the divine presence, and arrange the flowers and bowl of water as offerings to Goddess Tanit. 3. Visualize her presence in your mind's eye. Speak an invocation or prayer from your heart, expressing your intention to connect with her energy and wisdom. 4. Take a moment to reflect on the qualities of the divine feminine as embodied by Goddess Tanit. Contemplate her nurturing, loving, and creative aspects. Recognize the importance of embracing these qualities within yourself and in the world around you. 5. Take a piece of paper and pen or marker and begin to write down your desires, intentions, and affirmations related to fertility and abundance. Write freely, allowing your words to flow from the heart. Capture your hopes, dreams, and aspirations on the paper. 6. Place the paper with your written desires and intentions and offer the flowers into the bowl of water, symbolizing the blossoming of abundance and fertility. Take a moment to connect with Tanit's energy, feeling her presence and guidance surrounding you. 7. Close your eyes and enter into a state of deep relaxation. Visualize yourself surrounded by a radiant, golden light, symbolizing the divine energy of Goddess Tanit. Envision her gentle and nurturing presence enveloping you, infusing you with her wisdom and blessings. Allow yourself to connect deeply with her energy, feeling the abundance and fertility flowing through you. 8. Express your gratitude to Goddess Tanit for her presence, guidance, and the blessings she bestows upon you. Offer a closing prayer or affirmation, expressing your gratitude and honoring the conclusion of the ritual. Allow yourself to sit in silence for a moment, basking in the energy and connection you have cultivated. 9. After the ritual, you may choose to keep the written intentions and affirmations in a sacred space. A final message, words of wisdom from Tanit. Fertility is a sacred dance between the forces of creation and the nurturing essence of love. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.